My grandmother used to say, you can't be a success until you make other people a success. Hi, it's Denise DiGregoli. I'm the creator and talk show host of The Drive. Every week, I help people move forward with interesting stories of motivation, leadership, and success. We bring on people, places, ideas, and organizations, strategies for creating a better business and living your best life. It's moving forward mindfully and consciously. I hope you'll take a couple seconds and watch a few quick clips right here.
To the STARS values, or if they have some corrective discussion, we also refer to the STARS values.
So tell me what they mean again.
Service, teamwork, accountability, respect, and safety.
Hey, we can implement this in our household.
Absolutely.
This is universal.
And many employees have said that they're not only great values to live by at work, but also at your home. And one of our vice presidents actually will say that he'll do something at home, and his wife will say, "That's not living the STARS values."
I love it.
So.
We haven't even talked about that yet, so we've got to cover that as well.
Yes, it's. I stole that line from Alan Watts. And he's had a big influence on my life.
Start off the new year, then Scarlett Lewis, who's been sharing her very unfortunate and horrific journey as a Newtown mom and the loss of her son Jesse. But now you're a catalyst for change. You're a catalyst for forgiveness. And like I said in the beginning, oftentimes we just throw that around loosely. Oh, forgive. Mm-hmm. People are like, yeah, no, I'm going to stick your eye out too. Where did you find the compassion? I've spent over 25 years as an entrepreneur and professional speaker. The one thing I know for sure is to motivate your audience, you've got to ask the right questions, you've got to engage, and you've got to be genuinely interested.
Went on Mike Douglas, I did all these talk shows, bending keys.
That's what I was going to say. Did you actually bend something?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Wow.
In other people's hands.
Office. You want to unveil this story before it goes any further. What does it take? Like, where's the first pin in the road?
Oh my goodness.
If you love the smell, you can't help but feel a little happier. I feel like putting this in my car and taking it home.
You can. I'm going to give it to you.
Audience right now, how you got started.
Okay.
And how you moved yourself forward.
Okay.
Tell us.
So I will tell you, I come by it honestly. My mother, who was born in British Guiana, left when she was 3 months pregnant to come to the United States.
Wow.
Because she wanted her child to be born in the country where class wasn't the ruling factor.
Isn't that incredible? Who wouldn't want to have a better business or live their best life? I believe it begins with your drive. It's how you fuel your mind, your body, your spirit that creates the lifestyle you live. Fuel it well. Fuel it with your drive and Denise DiGregoli. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.